Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Ethereum from your Trust wallet to Cash App in 2025. Whether you're looking to cash out your crypto gains or just manage your finances better, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the essentials ready. You'll need a Trust wallet app installed on your phone with some Ethereum in it, a Cash App account linked to your bank, and access to a reputable crypto exchange like Coinbase or Binance, because Cash App doesn't directly support Ethereum deposits yet. Oh, and always double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled on all your accounts to keep things secure. Step 1. Open your Trust wallet app and navigate to the Ethereum wallet. Tap on the Send button, enter the amount of Ethereum you want to transfer, and send it to your exchange wallet. For example, if you're using Coinbase, copy your Ethereum wallet address from there. Once your Ethereum arrives at the exchange, step 2 is to convert it to cash. Go to the exchange's dashboard, select your Ethereum, and sell it for USD or your preferred currency. This usually takes a few minutes, so grab a coffee while you wait. Now, for step 3. Withdraw the funds from the exchange to your bank account. Head to the withdrawal section, enter your bank details, and confirm the transfer. Finally, in step 4, log into Cash App, go to the Banking tab, and add the money from your bank to Cash App. It might take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to fully transfer. A few quick tips. Watch out for transaction fees. They can add up, so choose exchanges with low rates. Always verify addresses to avoid scams, and never share your private keys. By 2025, regulations might have changed, so stay updated with the latest crypto news. There you have it, you've successfully transferred your Ethereum to Cash App. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.